Hello everyone, today we are making a water-based cake with a forest green color and a grassy flavor. In a pot we boil 1 glass of sugar in 2 glasses of water and we let it cool. Then we pour the sugar water into a bowl and we add a glass of sunflower oil. Then, continuing to mix, we incorporate one at a time 3 glasses of flour. Then the baking powder, my bag is 16 grams, a lemon zest, and 3 teaspoons of spirulina. Mix well so it's coming a very nice green color. Place the mixture in a tray and bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 45 minutes. In the meantime it's cooking, let's prepare the jelly to make the cake a wet look. In a pot, pour 100 ml of water and 50 grams of sugar. When start boiling, pour 50 ml of water with a teaspoon of cornstarch. Then add half lemon juice and keep it boiling for 1 minute and then let it cool. Spread the jelly on the cake and enjoy. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye!